gotten rid of my stubbornness, so you can see all the code that I can see.
Cool. Hey y'all. What? What is this? What just popped up? Oh, this is the thing. So I'm gonna add a button because I like buttons. And then button constraints. So this puts it on the top right corner of the cell, these two. And with anchor. Cool. Okie dokie. I guess I'm gonna make this cell now. You're all so quiet. I'm embarrassed. This is not it. Oh yes. Thank you. Register for card list. Oh, all right. I'm gonna make a reuse identifier up here because I think we need to use it again later somewhere. What? Who? Enum? Okay. Enum. Case. Card. This. Okay. Huh? Oh, okay. Thank you. Card with cell. Raw value. Ooh. What? Oh. Awesome. So what should I do now? The cell? The enum? No, I just made it conform to string. So, and that works. Raw value. Okay. Oh, this looks familiar. I'm gonna mess with this. I'm gonna make a cell equal, what was it called? Collection view. DQ or use identifier. Oops. Raw value for index path. Oh, should I guard let this? Just in case. That's all I know. That it's there. It's not non-existent.
Are you going to want to use it as a UI collection view cell or something else?
Okay. Levi, you had something to say. Oh yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Thank you. As cell. What was it called? Card list cell. Else return. Oh yes. Collection view cell. Then I guess do stuff. Let card equal cards. Index path dot row. Card dot. Oops. Title label. Wait, is this what I did? 1 second. Oh. All right, hold on. Slow down, Levi. I'm just trying to get my bearings. Because I set up a configure cell function in my cell file, so hold on. Title label dot text. Equals that. Yeah. Title dot. Oh, wait a second. Right. Hold on. Back to card. Hold on a second. Are we gonna make the flip animation? Because if we are, we probably should not put the facts on the same view as the title. This is what's happening here. Oh, good idea. I didn't figure that out. So I'll go with yours. Return cell. I think that's it, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's run it. Hey! It's stuff. Where's the cookies? She baked 9 boxes of cookies. Remember that. Okay. So it works, kind of, actually. Let's see. In Sunny. How do I do that? Oh, still here? Cell. Cell view? Under the. Wait, where? 28. Oh. Oh, I see. Okay. So, what was it? Ah. How many lines? 0. Why? Okay. Awesome. Oh. Okay. I gotta remember that. Damn it. Yeah. Whoa, this has a lot of words. Phoenix. Okay. Label. Oh. Okay. Maybe. You could use text views and that'll scroll also, but we have already got these labels. Wouldn't that make it longer for it to fit into one label? Oh, okay. That's cool. All right. String interpolate. Okay. Let's all do it in fact 1. And then in fact 2, we can get out of here. Hey, work. Okay, thanks. N? N. / N. Oh. Should I use it? This. N, and then space.
And that N is just hybrid. This is that break the next line.
Okay, wait. Wasn't I gonna do the thing Phoenix said?
Yeah.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. All right. Fantastic. Facts.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Adam, I've got a twist for you. Each fact should show up with a bullet point. How can we get a bullet point?
Oh, David, I wasn't expecting to do this.
Everyone take 3 minutes to Google and see if you can find out how you put a bullet point into your screen. Adam, you can do it too.
Yeah, I'm typing it in. No, that was a jQuery, so.
Oh, what is that slash U?
Unicode, right?
Seriously,
I don't even know if I'm doing this right, but we'll just take a shot. Good morning, everyone, by the way. I'm the Black David. It's nice to see you guys. Okay, it worked. It's right here. I guess what's next to do is that I will be animating our cells. So what I did was I used the did select function. Hold on. And then the way that I animated it was I made a property in my card list cell called front or back. I'm sure there are other ways to do this, but this is the way that I best understood it. And I made it a boolean of true or false. Hold on. So I just set it to true, assuming that true is the front and then false would be the back. And then in my did select function, hold on. I basically did, well, I made a self variable. I'm a really slow typer, so I'm sorry. But and then I made an if else statement. I did if cell dot front or back. It's supposed to be coming up. I don't know if I did it right. So I did if cell dot front or back is equal to true. And then the way that I did the animation was I did the UI dot transition joint, the UI dot transition function. I guess I'm stop saying joint, but and then I did transition with knowing that my UI view was a cell. Okay, I know I'm getting there. yeah, so I put cell. I put the duration to be 1 second. My options, I did the transition flip from right, or you can really do any one. I mean, it doesn't matter. And then I'm about to do the animations, and you can just make your completion nil unless you want something else to happen. I guess in the completion, um, I'm gonna say that right after. Hold on. Basically, in my animation, all I did was just do like um, my cell dot question label is hidden is equal to true, and then I just made the other ones false or whatever. So you're really just working with the same view. It's not like as if you have to do like anything advanced or whatever. You're just hiding things and showing them. So let's see. What was the name of the question? Oh, okay. Is hidden. Is equal to true. Say that one more time. Oh, the factor. Okay. And then I basically just changed the boolean that I made front or back to false. And then let's see. So then after I actually didn't even put a completion. So let me make sure I'm not the if. And then in my else, I literally just did the same thing except the opposite. So I just did flip from left. Let's see. And then true. And then I'm going to set my boolean back to true so that it does the other one. Let me see why I'm getting these. Did I not put enough brackets or something? Guess I'll just try to add another one. Okay. Field succeeded as always, never fails. Let me see. Because I noticed that when we were running it before, the facts were also available. So I guess what I have to do is when the frame is initialized, again, like I'm just throwing things at a wall here. I might be very wrong. But my fact one label, I'm just gonna set it to like being hidden or whatever. Let's see. Equals true. And then what's the other one? The title label. So, just to take that extra step, let me make sure I did all this right. So let's see what happens. Okay, I guess that's right. I didn't know that you guys did this, but because like, what's the point of the box if we were supposed to show the fact on the back? So why did we put the box there? Y'all don't know. Okay. Wow. Ooh. Um. Okay. Why?
It'll take back to the back to the
Oh, like just get rid of it, just like in general. Oh, so here comes okay. Oh, in the cell. There we go. And then the joint in the cell. So then which one? Oh, oh, okay. That makes sense. Mm-hmm. Ah, okay. All right. So yeah, and then I don't know if this is. Um, I know that I basically have finished what I was supposed to do, but I noticed I was working on something over the weekend, and I noticed that the whole like adding subviews thing is like really like annoying because you have to type out like every line. So just a way to like make it better. Well, let me not do that. But basically, like and like I also do this with my constraints or whatever. But I'll make an array of my elements. Um, let's see. Title label, effect one, and delete, just to make things like not as hard because I'm lazy, so I don't want to have to keep typing things over and over again. And then I just do I make an array of my elements, and then I call for each, and then or like if you're in the view controller, then you do self.view, but this is the content view, and then you can add subviews, and then just like do that. So that works too to kind of eliminate. You know what I'm saying? So anytime you add another UI element, you can just add it to your array instead of having to go back and type it all out. So it's yeah, like I just wanted to show that because I felt smart when I did it. So yeah, so that's about it. But yep, I don't know who's next. So okay, I don't understand. Oh, all right. That's it. Oh, I have to keep going? All right. So, the thing to do next is I would assume that I would be adding functionality to my delete button. So let's make sure that it's actually coming up. And I don't know. It's do the background for it. You said. Let's see. Oh, so we don't have anything going on in the button. Okay. I'll just make it. No, that's stupid. I'll make it something like really obnoxious. Okay, so our button is right there. Um, okay, so we have to fix why. Well, I just feel like it looks crazy with it being right there like that. So just to make it look better, we have to fix why the trailing anchor is like that. So what I would do is I would add a constant, and I guess to like bring it back, um, I think that I would do like -20 pixels, or it might have to be positive. I don't know. Say that one more time. The self.cell view. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. All right. Thanks, Sam. Oh. So, okay, so, yeah, for the top. Uh, set this back to white. Okay, so we know that's our button. I'm not gonna do anything else to it. We know that's a button now. So the next thing, I did this in like two different ways. But the next thing we're gonna do is do the whole thing where I guess we're gonna be deleting the button. I mean deleting our cell or whatever. So the first thing I did was I made a protocol for my cells. Called card cell delegate, and
Let's hand it up to Albert right now. Thank you, Adam.
All right, so I think we're gonna call this card cell delegate. So, and I think we're gonna make a function, right? So like a fun delete for the second action. So delete. Forgot if it's a we take in the parentheses a tag, int, and I'm not sure if I'm missing anything on this one. Oh yeah.
Like that. Yes, you want to implement anything in the protocol. You make your signature.
Mm-hmm.
Here
All right. So then we go to the where we're gonna use it. I guess it's in the cell. It's not that. Where is it? Here you go. I kind of forgot where we put it here. I know we do like yeah, like you make a variable for it, right? So it's like var shit var button pressed whatever, or no, I'm gonna call it delegate equals card cell delegate, was it something like that? Forgot. Card cell motherfucker. Card cell delegate. I think it'd be action. So all right. I know you have to use it somewhere around where the button is pressed, but I'm mistaken. like you gotta pass in a value for it. Things like around here, right? Then it's like, huh? Oh yeah, we don't have the action here, right? Button, add, action, target, whatever. This is gonna be self. Action is gonna be and then we're gonna make a function for this one. What's the name of it? It's again, it's IB action or whatever. Oh, huh? What was it? OBJC. And let's say delete cell. Huh? Oh yeah. Func delete cell. Dana, dana. I think this you need a sender in here, some shit like that. Sender UI button. Call this delete cell. Oh yeah. What was it again? Huh? Delete. Cool. And then in here we pass in the delegate or something like that. Was it? Forgot how it was. Cool. Then we go to the cordless controller, and here we can do cell tag. No, I gotta call the button tag. What's the button tag? What's the name of the button? It's delete, right? Delete button dot tag equals. She has a card. I think they did that already. Don't they? Cool. Am I missing anything else for the delegate here? I think we're alright. Cool. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be like this. Yeah. Extension. Card list. Called it card. So delegate. Should populate this. Alright, so now we have the function. We can add some functionalities in this. So I'm thinking we have to do what's the name of that thing again? Options menu thing? Action sheet? Okay. So do let I'm gonna call it option menu. That's how you call it option menu equals, let's say UI alert controller, initialize it, title, I'm gonna say delete stuff, which I want to get a better name. Select, these are called options, whatever. Title, message, boop. Then select. It's not right. Whatever. Then dot action sheet. Now here we're making another type. So let's say make it like a delete function. Delete option whatever equals the UI alert action. Initialize it. And call it delete. Capital D. Dot. I'll say can't, no, constructed. And then handler, I would say, yeah, we got to do some like what are we gonna be doing inside of this one? So that's action. And then if the user presses delete, you wanna do? Did we do persistence already in here? We did, right? I think. Yeah. So you're gonna use shit. Oh no, they have it here. Cool. And we have the function that doesn't let you delete if it's not. Oh well, reusable code. Right. So we can just call that. Cool. It's gonna be persistence, card persistence, helper dot manager dot delete. The title, it's gonna be, I usually just do it with the int, but I think this is asking for a title. So for us to get the title, we need or if you do the cell, so we can probably do like an array of whatever they have up here. It's gonna be called cards. Then in here the tag, which we there a button, then we got a card title. That should delete it, I think. After that, we can do option, we need that add action, we do delete option, and we do leak. Isn't I think the delete one does that already, doesn't it? No? Oh no, we gotta like reload the, yeah. Oh, yeah. Cool. And then just get if we get the photos, then we'll probably do stuff that what? I would say reload the table, but then that wouldn't work. We're gonna do try card persistence helper dot manager dot cards. Run. Huh? Oh, we do? Ooh. Cool. Okay, so you add the menu. Fuck. Self. All right, so then I think I'm pretty sure we gotta add option in the menu to the view or something, right? Or not? You just present it. Yeah. So like present option menu, animated, whatever. True. Cool. I might also do like cancel close UI. I'm just gonna copy this one shit. Cancel. Cancel. That's it. Yeah. Not gonna do anything in it, so I think I might just do. I don't know. Do you need to do something when it's canceled? No, right? It already canceled by itself. It really doesn't have that functionality, so I'll save this away. Cool. Okay. Menu dot add action dot. And try to see if it works. Ooh, nice.
All right. This is great.
Yes.
Thanks so much. Let's come back at 12 o'clock.